Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a super simple, cute Valentine's Day set. We're going to start off with this black color from Mia's Secret. And I was actually pretty surprised at how good this black powder is. I haven't used it in a couple of months, so I kind of had forgotten about this one. But it applied super buttery and it was super easy to work with. So I was surprised. And so back to the application. So my first bead, I just placed it right where the natural nail bit and the nail tip would meet. And I'm just working it down. I always make sure that I clean up my sidewalls just to maintain the shape of the nail. And then my second bead, I'm just going to apply it right above that first bead and just work it up towards the cuticle. Make sure that I don't touch, quote unquote, any skin. And since I am using colored powder, I just apply very thin layers of this. I don't build my nail up or my apex with the colored powders. I'm going to do that when it's time to encapsulate the black with the clear powder. That's what I use to build up my nail and my apex. And then the tips that I'm using, just in case you guys are interested, are from Makartt. These are my absolute favorite. And of course, these are the clear ones. Also, I do have a discount code for Makartt, just in case you guys didn't know, where you can get 15% off. The code is Nail.Chronicles. So if you guys purchase anything on their website, make sure to use my code and get some money off your purchase. And moving on to the next product that I'm using. So the next one would be the Red Iguana Practice Hand. This is the half silicone practice hand in the color Liza, which I absolutely love. It's definitely has helped me out when it comes to practicing. I don't have a lot of people to practice on other than myself most of the time, so it's definitely come in handy. I would definitely recommend just getting the half one if you are interested in the Red Iguana hand. I also do have a full one, but the thumb never gets any love, so why pay the full price on a full hand when you can get it a little bit cheaper if you get the half hand? So if you're interested, I would definitely recommend this hand. And let's see, what else am I using? I am using my favorite brush, which is from JC Beauty Concepts in the size 10. It is 100% Kolinsky. I always go back to this one. I've never had any issues with it. It's super lightweight. The bristles are very soft, and I absolutely love it. And since you guys are watching me, on the middle finger, I totally forgot what I was going to do with this one. So I was already getting ready to work the black acrylic down to the free edge when I was like, wait, that's not what we're doing here. So you did see me wipe a little bit of that black color off the nail. So all I did was just dip my brush in the monomer and wiped some of it off, because as you can see here, I'm about to lay some hearts that I just show you guys, some neon hearts. So here I just took a little bit of the clear powder just so I have something for my hearts to stick on. And I honestly didn't mean to apply that many hearts on this nail because I still wanted some of that clear to show, but yeah, I went a little bit overboard with the hearts. And the hearts that I'm using, I don't know if they're made of like some kind of like paper or whatnot, so they're already pretty flat, so I didn't have to worry about my hearts like sticking up or anything like that. So I just try to lay them as flat as possible, and I'm just encapsulating them and making sure that they are fully covered in that clear powder, because when it comes time to file, I want to make sure that I don't file the hearts away. So now for this ring finger, it's going to be all clear and it's going to be covered with the hearts. But I'm not going to go all the way to the cuticle with the hearts. You'll see in a little bit. So I'm just applying my clear powder just so I have something, well, the hearts have something to stick onto. And guys, this whole time that I was working with the clear powder, because it's super cold right now and raining, so you guys know that when it's cold, there may be a possibility of your clear powder crystallizing. Well, this whole time I was praying that it wouldn't crystallize and ruin this whole design, because I did not want to have to do it all over again and record all over again. So I was just pleading with this clear powder not to crystallize, and I didn't even think about like warming up my monomer or anything like that. So yeah, if you guys are in this, have cold weather right now, just make sure that your monomer is kind of warm, and let's hope your clear powder doesn't crystallize. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of my acrylic application, and I'm so proud of it because my application has definitely gotten a lot better. There wasn't any filing or shaping done there just yet. Now here my nails are filed and shaped, and then that's another thing that I'm proud of because my shaping has definitely improved. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a couple of rhinestones around the cuticle. I'm using the gem glue from Red Iguana, which I absolutely love. It's awesome. And I'm just using my dotting tool just to place the glue around the cuticle. And this wax pencil is from Amazon. I think it came like in a pack of like 20. So I absolutely love them. And so after I apply my rhinestones, I am going to go ahead and use my matte top coat from Coupa, which is the only one that I have ever used. But just as of yesterday, I did receive a new matte coat that one of my nail sisters sent me, which is my Ceci Boo. So thank you so much. So I'm excited to try that one out because I haven't tried any other matte coat. So after I apply my matte coat, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. And then we get to look at the final results. So we are at the end of this video. I kept it super simple and cute. I like to keep it beginner friendly because I'm a beginner myself. Let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys at the next one. Bye.